Hello friends, just want to talk a little bit about the grips on your Platinum 6 machine. We're going to talk today about the Comfort Grip, which is this little beauty right here. And what that does is it'll allow you to have reduce any tension that you have, like with wrist strain or compression that you might have in your wrist, like if you have any kind of wrist issues or grip issues at all. This larger grip allows you to relieve some of that when you're using your machine. So a smaller handle, you have to grip tighter, grip harder. Sometimes when you're cranking it, especially if it's a difficult die, it's a little more challenging to actually rotate that and have all that tension in your wrist. So we're going to show you how to put this new grip on and save your wrist. This is one, sometimes they will just slide right on. So sometimes you can just take the foam, will slide right on just like so, and then you just adjust it around, get it to where it feels good, and now you can just use it just like so. And sometimes they're a little more difficult to get on and off. So I'm going to take this one off and I'm going to show you what to do if you have one that is a little more challenging. All you have to do is take a little bit. I have my old number 47 soap, whatever that means, and this is just dish liquid ready to go. And then I will take my new grip right out of there and just slide it right on. And we did try a couple different soaps, and dish liquid does seem to work the best. Just like so. Now when you grip your handle there, it's a larger grip, so it's much easier and much more friendly to your wrist.